Hello, and welcome to Teach Engineering. My name is Ariana, and I'm currently a junior at the University of Colorado Boulder, studying to become a biomedical engineer. Today, we're going to talk about communication. Who can give me a definition of what communication is? Well, communication is the exchange of news or information. We communicate with our families by talking or calling them. We communicate by social media channels. We use a lot of different ways to communicate with each other. Now, what about astronauts? Why do you think communication will be important for them? Astronauts need to be able to talk with each other, even when they are in their spacesuits, and the astronauts in space need to be able to talk back and forth with mission control on Earth. Now let's talk about one group of people that need to be really good at communication: engineers. Why do you think it's important for engineers to be good communicators? Engineers must be able to explain their ideas so that other people can understand them. How does this relate to the human body? Well, today we're going to learn about a body system that is all about communication. This system is called the endocrine system. There are two main communication pathways in your body: the nervous system, which is responsible for fast signals and quick responses, the endocrine system, which is responsible for slow chemical travel and slow, long-lasting responses. The endocrine system is divided into several components, each with its specific functions. The pituitary gland, which regulates endocrine glands and secretes growth hormone. The thyroid, which regulates metabolic rate. The thymus, which is responsible for the immune system development. The adrenal glands, which regulates fluid and sodium balance. The ovary, which controls the development of secondary sex. The testes, which control the development of secondary sex. And the pancreatic islets, which regulates biorhythms and moods. The overall goal of the endocrine system is to help carry messages throughout your body to tell your body what to do. Your body has many endocrine glands, which secrete hormones into your blood. A hormone is a chemical that has a high level of specificity, which it will only react with a specific receptor. The bloodstream carries the hormones to a specific place, an organ, or a receptor that is designed to receive them. To understand how this system works, picture your body as a city and the endocrine glands as a diligent messengers. These glands release hormones into the bloodstream, acting like letters placed in mailboxes. The bloodstream or trusty mail carrier then delivers these hormonal messages to specific destinations, being an organ or a receptor, eagerly waiting to receive them. Now, you might be wondering, what are these messages all about? Well, these hormonal messages play a crucial role in various bodily functions. They are the invisible hands that guide our bodies through tasks like digesting food, absorbing calcium, curbing hunger, and even overseeing cell division. Now, picture this scenario: astronauts floating in a microgravity environment, surrounded by silence of space. In such a unique setting, staying in touch with ground control on Earth becomes absolutely essential. Why? Engineers need to understand how to best communicate in return with the astronauts, as well as they work to design the technologies, including cameras, video equipment, satellites, phones, and monitoring equipment to be able to communicate with the astronauts while they are so far from home. Today, we learn about the endocrine system and how it helps the body communicate signals like when to grow or digest food. Similarly, astronauts and engineers have to communicate well with each other, both on Earth and in outer space. Check out the lesson on Teach Engineering website and then use what you learn about the endocrine system in the associated activity endocrine excitement.